Good morning. All right, we're going to start working in the coordinate plane with some graphing. So the first thing we're going to do is just review the basics. I'm sure that as soon as we start on this, you guys will go, oh, I remember that now. So first thing we need to realize is that the coordinate plane is made of 4 quadrants. And those quadrants are created by the x-axis, which is your horizontal, and the y-axis, which is your vertical. When you are writing ordered pairs, the first coordinate that you write is always the x value, and the second value is the y. So it always goes x, y, x, y, x, y, and so on. All right, so directions. Find the coordinates for the points on the graph. So first we're looking for point A, and point A is right here. Now notice that these lines are not numbered, but they're counting by ones. So if we start counting backwards, so this would be, so where are we on the x is first of all what I'm trying to figure out. So they went backwards, so they're at -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So the x value is -5. And where did they go on the y? Did they go up? Nope. Did they go down? Nope. If your point is on the x-axis, the y value will always be 0. So coordinates of point A are -5 and 0. Okay, let's erase all that and focus on point B right there. So again, on the x-axis, starting from the origin where 0, 0 would be, they went back 1, 2. So the first coordinate would be -2. And again, that point is on the x-axis, so they did not move up or down. So the coordinates for point B are -2, 0. Point C, that one is right here. All right, so for point C, first of all, where did they go in the x? So starting right in the middle, did they move to the right or the left? Nope. Their point is right in the center, so they didn't go anywhere in their x-axis. So for point C, that x value is going to be 0. Where did they go on the y? They went up 1, 2, 3. So the coordinates for point C are 0, 3. Point D, right up here. Again, they did not move anywhere on the x. They did not move to the right. They did not move to the left. So that x value is going to be 0. How far up did they go on the y? They went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those coordinates are 0, 7. So let's find point E right here. Okay, on the x, notice from the origin, they did move 1 to the right, so that x value is going to be 1. They did not go up or down from the x, so the y value is going to be 0. So coordinates, the ordered pair, that's what we call this, the ordered pair for point E is 1, 0. I'm going to scooch up a little bit here, and let's find point F right here. So for point F, starting from the origin, they went to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the y value, they did not move up or down, so that y value is going to be 0. Point G, right here on the y-axis. So for point G, they did not move right or left, so the x value is going to be 0. But they did go down on the y-axis -1, -2, -3. So 0, -3 for point G. Last one, point H, down here. So again, on the X, they did not move right or left. They stayed right in the center, so that would be 0. On the Y, they dropped down -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Find the coordinates for the points on the graph. Okay, so now our points are a little bit scattered. So for point A, I'm looking right here. For point A, they went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. And they went up on the Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 5 for that one. Point B, on the x-axis, they went to 1. On the y-axis, they went down. So this is going to be a negative number. So they went to -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Point C, on the x, they went backwards. They went to the left, so this is going to be a negative number. So they went to -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And they did not, oh, I'm sorry, they did go down 1, so they went down to -1. So -5, -1. Point D, way up here. All right, so starting with your x-axis, they went left, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. And they went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So -6, 6. Point E, on the x, they went to -1. And on the y, they went to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point F, they went to -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And they went up 2. Point G, right here. Point G, they went left to -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. And they went down -1, -2, -3. Last one, point H. Starting on the x-axis, did they move right or left? They went to the left, so they went to -1, -2, -3. And they went to -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. All right. If you guys have any questions or need help, make sure and email. See you later.